Here we are at Leeds Wood Recycling, where I'm working today. Why don't you come on inside and have a look round? So, this is where we talk about helping the environment. We all want to help, and through Leeds Wood Recycling you can. Local businesses that have wood waste normally hire a skip, the contents of which end up in landfill. Leeds Wood Recycling collect that wood and brings it back to the depot for cleaning and sorting. The business is charged less than the skip hire and has the peace of mind that they are also helping the environment and the local community. The wood that comes back to Leeds Wood Recycling is then resold to you at a very reduced price. You get the satisfaction that you are stopping wood from entering landfill sites, as well as reusing the product which you've purchased at a low cost. Leeds Wood Recycling also makes things out of this reclaimed wood and sells them on as a finished product, such as picnic tables, raised beds for the garden, gates and even iPad stands, etc. For more information, please visit www.leedswoodrecycling.co.uk. Leeds Wood Recycling is run as a social enterprise model in which all profits are invested back into the business and the local community. The whole idea was started back in 2003 by the founding of the National Community Wood Recycling Project, the NCWRP, to develop a nationwide network of wood recycling social enterprises in which Leeds Wood Recycling is one of over 30 across the country. If you would like to know where your local wood recycling company is, just take a look at their webpage, www.communitywoodrecycling.org.uk. There will also be a link below this video. Anyway, let's get back to the tour. Here's the entrance. You can see all the super wood we've got. There's a welcome for you of info about the story so far. Lots of pallet wood, firewood if you want it. Some denailing going on. And then pallet packs, so you can already buy pallet packs of wood. And some CNC offcuts. Then there's some boarding here. It's right before foot. Apparently gift cards, gift vouchers are available, but please supervise your children. Okay, so let's have a look down the avenue of wood. So here we have our board section and some more sort of offcuts. You can see some of the prices, super cheap. It's a small MDF. This is MDF board there. There's some larger cuts, nice bits of hardwood would be good for shelving, etc. Again, some prices on there. All in reach. The wood that comes in changes at all times, and you never know what's in week by week, but there's pretty much a steady flurry of certain parts of stockpiled wood. A lot of long pieces here. Some thicker, sort of 8x2, etc. Skirting, some skirting boards. Here we go, some more sort of pallet wood, thicker pallet wood tops. Oh, these are nice. I wonder what you could make out of those. And then we go through here. There's Kenchi, Wave Kenchi. There she is. She'll come and serve you. Some more CNC offcuts. There's our reception. There's Mark, one of the carpenters, making a mess. Oh. And maybe something else. Here's some of the stuff that people have made to give ideas and for sale, or if you'd like things made, we'll make it for you. A couple of lovely doors there, which somebody somewhere might want. And then, as you can see, we're just surrounded by wood, and then into the workshop. Here's the workshop where things are made. There's also teaching goes on during the week, so we've got a resident carpenter who teaches beginners carpentry. This is behind the scenes tour, so there's some denailing. This is all stuff that's come in that needs denailing and getting ready to go out in the store. But then you get sort of odd bits in, like these that people can take if they want them. Some more, some lovely thick sort of wood here. It's all available if anybody's interested. And then some more boarding back here, and some floor by looks of things. Different boards. Beautiful. There you go, behind the scenes. So thank you for joining me on this tour of Leeds Wood Recycling, and hopefully if you're in the area you'll pop in and have a chat or a look round. Otherwise, please check out our webpage on leedswoodrecycling.co.uk, or if you're not in our area, check communitywoodrecycling.org.uk. And otherwise, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and tick the bell so you get notification of our next my next video. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your woodworking.